It's so scary. So scared. It was really scary, but we always pray that we can survive.
Sariwa pa sa alaala ni Susan ang pananalasa ng malakas na bagyo sa Saipan. Nilipad ang mga bintana at pintuan ng kanilang bahay, pati ang halos lahat ng kanilang gamit.
For how many typhoon happened here in Saipan? This is the worst.
Matapos ang pamiminsala ng bagyo, hirap silang makalabas upang makabili ng pagkain, kaya wala ring maipakain si Susan sa kanyang apo.
If we have banana or what, but now we cannot eat banana because there's no plant anymore. It's lucky we stuck some coffee and there we survive. I make my grandson eat with coffee and rice. That's it, Filipino style.
Ilang araw matapos ang bagyo, dumating ang Operation Blessing sa Saipan. Nakita nila ang hirap ng mga residente at ang oportunidad na maghatid ng pag-asa. Sa tulong ng local church partner na Life in the Sun at ng restaurant na Canton No. 10, na mahagi ang Operation Blessing ng 400 hot meals para sa mga pamilyang apektado ng bagyo.
We really appreciate it, especially for Operation Blessing. It's our first barbecue after the typhoon and it tastes good.
We're so happy because I really appreciate what people doing, giving us help. They're giving the food, so it's okay like this, that they're the one going house to house, right? I was very thankful what they're doing, what you guys doing for us.
Higit sa pagkain, ibinahagi rin ng Operation Blessing ang mabuting balita ni Jesus na siyang tunay na pinanggagalingan ng pag-asa at lakas.
We need to be united to do this together. We need your prayer and support for this mission. Please pray for Saipan to be restored.
Thank you.
God changes lives. Tulungan mo kaming i-share ang transforming love ni Lord sa mas marami pang tao. Partner with CBN Asia today.